gels. So now if you have Glitz extra thick condensed glue gel, it works absolutely great as well. So if you only have a condensed glue gels, which is works really perfect as well, you just need to work like really place it on, and you have to flash key it. But then with Omega Gel, will give you ability of doing all of them at once. So I'm gonna go ahead and using the dot tool from a crystal picker. You can see that my Omega Gels is almost gone. It's like almost finished. So I am go ahead and pick. So if you are using this on the nails, I mean using on the hand like this, make sure you use alcohol and then clean your hand. But I'm gonna make it like about a size of, about same size as this crystal. I think it is probably about 8 millimeter dimension. So then that's why you can able to get all your flowers and then crystals. So let's give it a try, and then we can pick the flowers. And with Omega Gels, you can use it. This is perfect for your 3D handcrafted flower, 3D portrait back. You see that? It doesn't do anything at all. It's not running anywhere. It gives you all the time in the world to start like place all your crystals, especially when you're doing a bigger crystal and a charms. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick the next crystals and place it in there. It's not runny, it's not, you know, sticky, it's no tacky layer. So then you can able, I am absolutely obsessed with this, that, and then even the application. And then you can play this one next to that. Ooh, looks really good though. And then you can adjusting it if you want to adjust and move it up and down. Look good. And make sure you get them like triangle like this, so then that way they are going to lean on each other's, not only lean on each other's, and then the ankle down to yours Omega Gel. So I am going to using really, either you are getting your beads. Let me see if I have a bigger beads. Another kids. If not big bead, I'm gonna get the pearl though. I'm gonna get this little pearl right there, and I'll place them in, fill them in the spot. Oh, that looks so adorable. And then another gap right there. It's not the gap, I just want to really place them so then they stay really nice and like pack. Really happy with this. You have to see this one in person. It's so cool and stunning. Oh, I am loving it. Like, let me show you all different angle. See that? How it's secure on it. And it's not going anywhere. It's not clear yet. But then you can adjusting it. You can move your flowers in different angle, left to right. Or you can, if you want to adjusting however you would like, you can definitely do it first before you are going to key. So now with this really nice and big crystal and then 3D handcrafted flowers, make sure you are asking your clients to, when they key, they're gonna tilt it from the left to the right really quick. And then so then that is all of your LED light. UV rays can penetrate to all different angle, and key your Omega Gel is absolutely completely clear. So I'm gonna flash key it first for 30 seconds because we're gonna need to put the top coat on this one, but I'm gonna do that first. It's not going anywhere. You can't even like, it's not running off from the nail. So this is great for a lot of nail lovers, nail technicians that doing so many